Hello! In this video, we will see how to create a single-channel routing. Single-channel routing helps you to achieve two things. 1. You can decide how you want to route your notification by adding failovers. 2. You can also decide the route by adding conditions based on customer's country or using any other variable. To create a single-channel routing, go to the navigation menu, click Routing, and select Single-Channel Routing. Click Create. You can give any unique name. Description is optional. For example, let's say you want to send SMS to the customers through Value First, if they are based out of India. If they are not in India, you want to send through Twilio. Also, you want to add a failover for both Value First and Twilio. Let's see how this can be achieved by single-channel routing. So first, add the condition of whether the user is from India or not. To do that, choose Country equals India. Now for people who are from India, you want to use Value First. And choose Value First integration. Now you want to add a failover for that. To do so, click Add Failover, and let's say you want to add Gupshup as a failover. So now we have done the conditional flow for all the customers who are based out of India. Now for customers who are not from India, choose Simply Send. Choose, let's say you want to send Twilio. And as a failover, let's say you want to use MessageBird. And once you're done, click Save. You can save and promote to push it to live. Click Confirm. So, that's how you can create a single-channel routing.